Welcome! Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide on how to deep clean your bedroom properly. Whether your space is a little messy or in need of a major refresh, a thorough cleaning can make a world of difference. We'll break down each step, from decluttering to those finishing touches, so you can enjoy a fresh, relaxing environment. Let's get started and transform your bedroom into a true sanctuary, one step at a time. Before you begin, it's important to gather all the cleaning supplies you'll need. This includes items like microfiber cloths, a vacuum cleaner, mop, dusters, laundry baskets, trash bags, and your favorite cleaning sprays. Having everything on hand will help you stay focused and efficient, so you won't have to stop midway to search for something. Preparation is key to a smooth and successful deep cleaning session. Start by removing any clutter from your bedroom surfaces. This means clearing off nightstands, dressers, desks, and shelves. Put away items that belong elsewhere and toss or donate things you no longer need. Decluttering not only makes cleaning easier, but also instantly makes your room feel more organized and spacious. Take a few minutes to sort through your belongings and create a clean slate for the next steps. Next, strip your bed completely. Remove all sheets, pillowcases, blankets, and mattress covers. Place them in the laundry basket to be washed. This step is essential because bedding can harbor dust, sweat, and allergens. Washing everything will leave your bed feeling fresh and inviting. Don't forget to check under the bed for any stray items or dust bunnies while you're at it. Take your bedding to the laundry and start a wash cycle. Use hot water if possible, as it helps kill germs and dust mites. While your bedding is washing, you can move on to other cleaning tasks. Fresh, clean bedding is one of the best feelings after a deep clean, so don't skip this step. If you have extra pillows or comforters, consider washing or airing them out as well. Begin dusting your bedroom from the highest surfaces down. Start with ceiling fans, light fixtures, and the tops of wardrobes or shelves. Use a microfiber duster or a damp cloth to trap dust instead of spreading it around. Working from top to bottom ensures that any dust that falls will be cleaned up as you move lower. Pay special attention to corners and hard-to-reach spots. Take down curtains or drapes and launder them if possible, or use a vacuum with an upholstery attachment to remove dust. For blinds, wipe each slat with a damp cloth or use a special blind duster. Clean windowsills and frames as well, since these areas often collect dust and grime. Fresh window treatments can brighten up your entire room and improve air quality. Now, wipe down all surfaces in your bedroom. This includes dressers, nightstands, desks, shelves, and any decorative items. Use a gentle cleaner that's safe for your furniture. Don't forget to clean the tops, sides, and even the legs of your furniture. Pay attention to handles and knobs, as these can harbor germs from frequent touching. Spray glass cleaner on mirrors and any glass surfaces, then wipe them down with a lint-free cloth or paper towel. Streak-free mirrors and windows can make your bedroom look brighter and more spacious. Don't forget to clean picture frames or glass decorations as well. Take your time to ensure a sparkling finish. Electronics like TVs, alarm clocks, and speakers can collect a surprising amount of dust. Use a dry microfiber cloth to gently wipe screens and surfaces. Avoid using harsh chemicals, as these can damage sensitive electronics. If needed, use a can of compressed air to clean out vents or keyboards. Keeping electronics dust-free helps them function better and look cleaner. Take a few minutes to organize your drawers, remove everything, wipe the inside, and only put back what you truly need. Fold clothes neatly and use dividers if you have them. Organizing drawers not only makes it easier to find things, but also keeps your bedroom looking tidy and clutter-free. If you have upholstered furniture in your bedroom, like a chair or bench, vacuum it thoroughly. Use the upholstery attachment to remove dust, crumbs, and pet hair. Pay attention to seams and crevices where debris can hide. Clean upholstery not only looks better, but also helps reduce allergens in your room. Vacuum your bedroom floor thoroughly, including under the bed and along the edges of the room. Use the crevice tool to get into tight spots. If you have area rugs, vacuum both sides to remove dust and dirt. A clean floor instantly makes your bedroom feel fresher and more inviting. If your bedroom has hard flooring, mop it after vacuuming. Use a suitable cleaner for your floor type, whether it's wood, laminate, or tile. Mop in sections and let each area dry before walking on it. Clean floors not only look great, but also help reduce dust and allergens. Baseboards often collect dust and scuff marks. Use a damp cloth or sponge to wipe them down, paying attention to corners and behind furniture. Clean baseboards give your bedroom a polished, finished look and show attention to detail. Doors and handles are high-touch areas that can harbor germs. Wipe down door surfaces, handles, and light switches with a disinfectant. Don't forget closet doors or sliding doors. This step helps keep your bedroom hygienic and safe. Take out the trash and replace the liner in your bedroom bin. If you have a recycling bin, empty that as well. A clean, empty trash can prevents odors and keeps your room feeling fresh. Take some time to organize your closet. Remove everything, dust, shelves, and rods, and only put back what you wear and love. Donate or store out-of-season clothes. An organized closet makes getting dressed easier and keeps your bedroom tidy. Move lightweight furniture if possible and clean underneath. Dust and debris often accumulate in these hidden spots. Use a vacuum or broom to reach under beds, dressers, and chairs. This step ensures a truly thorough clean. Dust or vacuum air vents in your bedroom. Clean vents help improve air quality and keep your room feeling fresh. If possible, remove vent covers and wash them with soap and water before replacing. Light fixtures can collect dust and bugs. Carefully wipe them with a damp cloth or use a duster. Make sure the lights are off and cool before cleaning. Clean fixtures brighten your room and enhance the overall look. If you have a ceiling fan, dust the blades thoroughly. Use a pillowcase or a microfiber duster to trap dust without spreading it. Clean fan blades help keep the air in your room fresh and prevent dust from circulating. Remote controls and other handheld devices can harbor germs. Wipe them down with a disinfectant wipe or a cloth dampened with rubbing alcohol. Pay attention to buttons and crevices. This quick step helps keep your bedroom healthier. Light switches are touched daily and can accumulate grime. Use a disinfectant wipe or a cloth with cleaner to wipe them down. Don't forget dimmers and any smart switches. Clean switches help prevent the spread of germs. Phone chargers and cords can get surprisingly dirty. Wipe them down with a damp cloth and disinfectant. Keeping chargers clean helps prevent the buildup of dust and germs on your bedside table. Dust and wipe down decorative items like picture frames, vases, and figurines. Use a gentle cleaner for delicate items. Clean decorations add to the overall freshness and beauty of your bedroom. If you have houseplants, dust their leaves with a damp cloth and check for dead leaves or pests. Water as needed and wipe down plant pots. Healthy, clean plants can boost your mood and improve air quality. Under the bed is a common spot for dust and lost items. Use a vacuum or a long-handled duster to clean thoroughly. If you store items under your bed, take them out, wipe them down, and reorganize before putting them back. Open your windows and clean both the inside and outside glass if possible. Use a streak-free cleaner and a microfiber cloth. Clean windows let in more light and make your bedroom feel brighter and more open. Items like alarm clocks, drawer handles, and jewelry boxes are touched often. Wipe them down with a disinfectant to keep germs at bay. This step is especially important during cold and flu season. Laundry hampers can get dirty and smelly over time. Wipe down the inside and outside with a disinfectant. If your hamper has a liner, wash it with your bedding. A clean hamper keeps dirty laundry odors in check. If your pet sleeps in your bedroom, clean their bedding and vacuum the area around their bed. Wash pet toys and bowls as well. Keeping your pet's area clean helps maintain a fresh and healthy bedroom environment. Lift area rugs and vacuum or sweep underneath. Dust and dirt can collect under rugs, so this step is important for a truly deep clean. Shake out smaller rugs outside, if possible. Don't forget the floor of your closet. Vacuum or mop it after removing shoes and storage bins. A clean closet floor helps keep your clothes and shoes fresh. Vacuum your mattress to remove dust and allergens. If possible, sprinkle baking soda on the mattress, let it sit for 30 minutes, then vacuum again. This helps deodorize and freshen your bed. Rotate or flip your mattress if recommended by the manufacturer. Once your bedding is clean and dry, make your bed with fresh sheets, pillowcases, and blankets. Fluff pillows and smooth out wrinkles. A freshly made bed is the finishing touch to your deep clean and makes your room feel inviting. Consider adding a fresh scent to your bedroom with an air freshener, essential oil diffuser, or a vase of fresh flowers. Pleasant scents can make your room feel even cleaner and more relaxing. While cleaning, you may notice things that need fixing, like loose handles, squeaky hinges, or burnt-out bulbs. Make a note of these repairs and address them soon. Keeping up with small fixes helps maintain a comfortable and functional bedroom. Tidy up your nightstand by removing unnecessary items and wiping down the surface. Only keep essentials like a lamp, book, or alarm clock. A clutter-free nightstand helps you relax and sleep better. If you have a desk in your bedroom, organize it by sorting papers, wiping down the surface, and arranging supplies. A tidy desk can boost productivity and keep your room looking neat. Safety is important. Test your bedroom smoke detector and replace batteries if needed. Clean any dust from the detector to ensure it works properly. This quick step can make a big difference in your safety. Step back and take a look at your freshly cleaned bedroom, adjust pillows, straighten decor, and make any final tweaks. Enjoy the sense of accomplishment and the peaceful atmosphere you've created. A deep cleaned bedroom is the perfect place to relax and recharge. To keep your bedroom looking great, try to tidy up a little each day. Make your bed every morning, put away clothes, and wipe down surfaces regularly. Small daily habits make deep cleaning much easier in the future and help maintain a calm, organized space. Deep cleaning your bedroom does more than just make it look nice. It helps reduce allergens, improves air quality, and creates a more relaxing environment. A clean bedroom can even help you sleep better and feel more energized each day. The effort you put in truly pays off in your comfort and well-being. Congratulations! You've now learned how to deep clean your bedroom properly, step by step. With regular care and attention, your bedroom can remain a peaceful, healthy retreat all year round. Remember, a clean space is a happy space. Enjoy your fresh, revitalized bedroom and the comfort it brings.